This is definitely the biggest, most powerful battery charger that I have yet seen. This is 40,000 milliamp hours. That's 40 amp hours. That is a humongous battery. So, you know, the normal charge of a cell phone is like 5, and this will charge a cell phone like, or maybe 8. But anyway, this will charge a cell phone from 5 to 8 times. Pretty impressive. Whoops, I just mistakenly pushed that button with my little finger down here. Might as well go there, I guess. Let's look at these lights. So on the end of the light, it looks like you have this is actually not a neon tube, but it looks kind of neon tubey. And it's got a couple of varieties of dimness there. It has a flashlight here with a a standard and actual LED, or it also has super flash, just flashing if you want to keep it flashing all the time. And you can put on several different levels of lighting here, or just a standard, you know, flashlight that you want to shine around. This thing is really heavy. So I don't know what it weighs exactly, but I'd guess it to be somewhere around 1 kilogram. So about 2.5 pounds, 2.2 pounds or so. Very, very heavy. So let's get that thing to turn off. All right, in this end over here, we have the actual connectors. So you can see here's this one here actually tells you what the status of the battery is. So you can see that it's not got anything, not got any load on it at the moment. This is it's half charged there, so 50%. It'll tell you though what your load is, what you have on there if you do have a load on it. I don't have anything here handy that I can just put on there and show you the load thing. But that's very useful to be able to know what the current load is and what battery you're going to be using and how much you've got left on it. So that's pretty cool. All in all, that's a really nifty battery. Kind of pricey, but it's worth it because it's so significant, lasts a long time. Take it camping and you have a great light there, you have a great power for your phones, and hey, if you meet a bear somewhere, smack him in the head with it because this thing's heavy enough. Might take out the bear, who knows? Bear might grab it and take you out though too. So anyway, there you go. Cheers.